Ngibingelele kuwe mlaleli, ngiyathemba uyaphila-ke. Mina ngizocela kuwe-ke laphana-ke ukuthi-ke uma ngabe usamusha-ke kulo-ke leli khasi-ke leli-ke wenze okulungele-ke laphana-ke ungixhase-ke ucindezele-ke ibhathini subscribe nje, awubizi imali kumahhala nje ukhishwe nesenti-ke elimnyama-ke leli-ke khona uzokwazi ukuthi uthole nezinye-ke iy'ndaba-ke ezintsha-ke nje engizobe ngiy'faka-ke kulo-ke leli khasi-ke leli-ke kusukela-ke manje-ke ukuze ingakuphutheli izindaba ongawenzayo njengamanje ukuthi-ke ungaba ucindezela-ke ibhathini u-subscribe njengamanje-ke. Udaba kulethele lona-ke namhlanje ithi MK laphana-ke sikhiphe isimemezelo-ke esisheshayo-ke laphana-ke kubalandeli-ke beqembu-ke laphana-ke yakhipha-ke i-statement-ke. Uma ngikufundela-ke sona le statement sithi-ke from the Secretary General, date 18 September 2024. Introduction of CDE Bongani Baloyi, head of Umkhonto weSizwe Party by elections and election machinery. Please note that the Secretary on the 17th of September 2024 took a decision to appoint Comrade O. Bongani Baloyi as the head of elections and local government. This effectively means that Comrade Baloyi is effectively responsible for our entire elections machinery, inclusive of by-elections. As you are aware, we are contesting two by-elections in Buffalo City Wards 12 and 20. Comrade Baloyi will visit Buffalo City as a member of agency to engage, access our readiness and consolidate our by-elections program. We request the leadership, activists and members of the MK party to work with Comrade Baloyi. We must leave no stone unturned or secretary unchallenged as we mobilize for this imminent decision victory of Umkhonto weSizwe Party in the region. Looking forward to your kind cooperative victory of the party. Incwadi-ke lena-ke istatement sikhishwe-ke MK-ke laphana-ke isho-ke ukuthi-ke siqoke uComrade Baloyi-ke laphana ukuthi-ke abhekane-ke nezokuvota-ke laphana-ke kuma-by-elections alaphana-ke eBuffalo City-ke. Mina ngicela kulaphana ukuthi-ke ungene kuma-comments-ke ufushe uvo lwakho ukuthi na-ke ucabangani-ke ngalo-ke lolu daba-ke lolu-ke masiqinisana nebhathini nje subscribe nje akubizi imali kumahhala nje ukhishwe nesenti-ke elimnyama-ke eli-ke khona uzokwazi phela ukuthi-ke uthole nezinye-ke iy'ndaba-ke ezintsha-ke nje engizobe ngikufakela zona-ke kulo-ke leli khasi-ke leli-ke kusukela-ke manje.